are you? Today I'm going to share with you a few tips about beauty, about how to look amazing in your pictures, how to do your makeup, how to take care of your skin. And for that, I invited one of my friends that she is a beauty consultant, and Janelle is going to share with us a few tips that is going to be amazing because we don't know many things that she is going to share with us, so you can look amazing in your portrait session.
5 essential skincare steps you should be doing every day, morning and night. You should be cleansing, exfoliating, moisturizing. Don't moisturize with oily skin. It's going to produce more oil because it's trying to compensate for the lack of moisture.
Oh, you listen, guys.
So that was me. Toning out any fine lines, wrinkles, pores, and it helps you use less product that way. And protecting. We're gonna do anything super extravagant. We're gonna do a nice natural look.
I like that.
So I personally, I wouldn't, I mean, it depends on the shoot. It depends on your personality and what you prefer. When you're taking photos, you obviously want to look and feel your personal best. So do what makes you happy. What makes you most comfortable. But the tips I would give would just be to do something that is going to be flattering, obviously.
Yes.
Something that is a little bit more natural, because you don't want someone to look at a photo of you and be like, you sure that's you? That doesn't, I don't know, that doesn't look like you, you know? You want it to still look like you, and so something that you're comfortable with, something that you do on a regular basis, but that just enhances your natural beauty. Where to line your lips, you would want to do a long, obviously line them, go around the outside of the line to make them look a little fuller, and then you will want to fill in your lips completely with liner as well. The setting sprays are very important because they just lock everything in place and they'll make it last longer. My email address, if you would like to get in contact with me, is jankrom@marykay.com. It'll probably be linked somewhere. And then I also have a website if you would like to purchase anything that you see